Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a card that I titled Happy Easter Again, and I'm using the digital version of the collection My Favorite Easter by Echo Park, and this is based on a template that I created myself, and I'll be sharing as a freebie on my blog MistyHilltops.com. So I have this background layer, and instead, because this is a digital version, so it's all printed, so instead of just printing the entire backdrop, I just did some white out on the background there, which I knew the parts that would be covered. So I just added some white rectangles there to save myself some printing ink. And then I have these little pieces that I am arranging on top, and then there is this last bit which is the sentiment. I used one of my label dies to just cut it out and then stamped on it, and this is my card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.